So I'm attempting to find out what exactly is causing a deep rumble sound somewhere in the vicinity of the exhaust manifold, or at least the downpipe coming from it, which would be down here in the footwell. I'll blip the throttle to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. First I thought it was an exhaust leak, but could not find an exhaust leak no matter how I looked. So my next thinking was the opposite of an exhaust leak. Maybe I have an exhaust blockage in the catalytic converter. So what I've done is I've hooked up a gauge. I've actually just taken the gauge off the top of my trusty Mighty Vac, attached a hose to it, then I have the other end going to the brake booster. That way I can sit in the car. And I've got 20 inches of mercury, give or take, which is in the healthy zone. If I have an exhaust blockage, what I should see is vacuum slowly decreasing down to close to zero. So let's get the RPMs here in the background. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, well, 3,500, let off. That seems totally normal. That indicates there isn't an exhaust blockage. Let's do a blip. That's also normal, so let's do that one more time. It goes down to zero, then pops back up. So everything I see here tells me that we don't have an exhaust blockage. We don't have any, I don't even have any timing issues. I see that this is a perfectly healthy engine, an exhaust system, intake. Can't think of what else this would be. Also, the car does seem to be a little bit down on power. I'm investigating some fuel issues, but either that's totally unrelated or there's something weird going on somewhere. Would love to hear the advice of folks down in the comments if you've seen something similar on Volvos or any cars for that matter, and have some thoughts.